We introduce the LM11, the small capacity, but high-performance high-spin washing machine. The LM11 is part of the 8 to 11 kilograms product range. So it is IMESA's little product that not only guarantees high washing performance and ease of use, but is also equipped with high-level technological innovations, which we will now see. Ease of use when loading and unloading. Thanks to a large-sized door with a diameter of 380 millimeters. Maximum corrosion resistance. The drum and outer drum of IMESA 304 stainless steel ensure high resistance to corrosion, maximum stability, and very low noise levels. Thanks to an effective balancing system consisting of vertical and horizontal shock absorbers. The LM11 is a washing machine designed to be sustainable not only in terms of water, detergent and electricity savings, but also because it is highly recyclable. More than 80% of its weight is recyclable. Let's now talk about functionalities of LM11, designed and refined by IMESA with a view to the best user experience, to facilitate the user at all stages, and guarantee maximum performance at all times. Let's start with the IM11 digital user interface, consisting of a 7-inch full-touch display with a user-friendly tilt and an intuitive and easy icon-based layout. Total management of the working parameters is possible from the panel. Smart control function, accelerometer and inverter, to manage unbalanced laundry loads. Customization of washing cycles. The water level, the washing temperature, the motor speed and spin or pause rhythm are all programmable. In addition, the LM11 is ready for wet clean cycles for the laundry sector and mop and frange cycles for the cleaning sector. The LM11 is a high-tech washing machine even in connectivity. It is constantly connected via Wi-Fi to the IM Connect portal for easy, fast and secure remote laundry management. The TapTech label with NFC technology makes the LM11 washing machine interactive by connecting it to the Laundry for You app, providing access to a lot of technical information about the washing machine and the opening of service tickets when needed. For more information on the LM11, the small washing machine with big performance, scan the QR code.